Around 2 million years ago, in the wide savannas of Africa, a new kind of human appeared. This species would become one of the most debated, yet most important steps in our evolutionary journey. They were called Homo habilis, the handy man.
During the early Pleistocene, Homo habilis lived in small groups. Their world was filled with danger. Lions, hyenas, and massive herbivores roamed the land. To survive, they relied on their intelligence and their hands. Homo habilis shaped stones into simple but effective tools. These tools helped them crack bones, cut meat, and process plants. This ability to create tools gave them their name, the handy man. Homo habilis had a significant impact on human evolution. Stone tools changed everything for early humans. For the first time, humans were not limited to nature. They could hunt more effectively and process food. Gain access to new sources of nutrition. More protein meant stronger bodies and larger brains. Technology had entered human history. Homo habilis was the first to use it.
When Homo habilis was first named in 1964, scientists debated its true identity. Was it a new species or another form of Australopithecus africanus? New fossils were discovered, supporting Homo habilis as distinct. Evidence grew over the years, shedding light on its classification. Yet debates continued, because classifying fossils is never simple.
By the 1980s, many researchers believed Homo habilis evolved into Homo erectus. Homo erectus made more advanced tools, mastered fire, and spread beyond Africa into Asia and Europe. According to this view, Homo habilis was the first step toward modern humans. But today, this idea is still debated. Some scientists argue that the evolutionary tree is more complex. Homo habilis may not have been a direct ancestor of Homo erectus.
Some fossils assigned to Homo habilis are uncertain. This has led to proposals for new species like Homo rudolfensis. The human family tree branches out, revealing complex origins. These debates reflect the ongoing effort to understand where we came from. Homo habilis remains one of the most debated species in evolution. They were the first to shape tools, bending nature to their will. Homo habilis was not the end of the story, but the beginning of ours.
Homo habilis remains one of the most debated species in human evolution. They were the first to shape tools and bend nature to their will. With their hands, they began the long journey of human creativity and survival. Homo habilis was not the end of the story, but the beginning of ours.